Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create flow logs for your VPCs on AWS. These flow logs will allow you to check all the traffic that is going through your VPC and check for bad traffic or also for bottlenecks. This is very helpful for monitoring. So the first thing is that we need an S3 bucket, so I'm going to create one. Just getting to the service, I'm going to create a new bucket for this. I'm going to specify flow bucket and a random number. I'm going to select my current region, which is California. I'm going to let the default configuration here. I'm going to add a tag. I'm going to specify flow log here. And as a best practice, always encrypt your buckets. So I'm going to select enable and also select the S3 key encryption. For the object log, I will let disable. So I'm going to create this bucket. Okay, it has been created. I'm going to copy the RNA here. And now I'm going to go to the VPC section. Here, select your VPCs and select the VPC that you want to create the flow log. In my case, I'm going to do it on the default one. Here, there are three tabs. Select flow logs and create flow log. Okay, here I'm going to specify the name. And this filter is important because it will select what kind of traffic you will monitor. In my case, I want to filter all the traffic. So all the traffic will be recorded on the logs inside the S3 bucket. And here the interval, I'm going to select 1 minute because I want a strict monitoring. And here, as you can see, the destination, you can select CloudWatch to enable events and also the S3 bucket. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to paste the details for the S3 bucket. Here you can customize the log format. I'm going to use the default one, but if you select this, you can customize it. The tag is already in place. As I mentioned, as a best practice, always add tags in your cloud resources. So I'm going to create the flow log now. Okay, here it is now created. So this is how you can create flow logs for your VPCs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.